It is a beautiful day in South Florida, and I'm so glad it is because it's been raining out of control lately, and honestly, like the weather has not been so good. I was gonna go to the beach today actually with my family, but I know that Tortuga, the festival, is happening this weekend. But on the side that we actually go to the beach on, there was nothing happening over there, so I kind of regret not going this morning. But it's fine, it's all good. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Ju Alexandra. I am an entrepreneur juggling a 9 to 5, plus being a mom, and plus also being a wife. So my channel is about obviously me running my business, me juggling everything. Also, I'm currently in a sewing journey to actually sew a dress for Costa Rica because I'm going to a wedding there, and I want to sew my actual outfit for Costa Rica. And then I am also currently in an April challenge where I am trying to post one long form video every single day. So a lot is going on, but I am trying to put in more of lifestyle kind of content in there instead of just sewing or just business or just, I'm also a personal shopper, personal stylist. So not only that, but also lifestyle content. Today's video is more so of a reflection of how the April challenge is going, since I'm going to be up on hitting 2 weeks, which I can't believe it's been 2 weeks. Like, man, oh my gosh. And then also later, the next video, we are also going to be actually testing out our meal plan, our grocery list from what we build with Claude. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and go back into my April challenge playlist and you can watch that video. I literally built out a meal plan, a budget, and also I had Claude analyze all of my credit cards and see what I should be using them on so that I can maximize the points. And it was so cool. And also another video that if you guys don't do in-person shopping or grocery shopping and you want Claude to actually shop for you, they can do that as well if it's like a delivery. So for instance, if you have Target delivery or you have Walmart delivery or Publix, Instacart, whatever, it can actually shop for you. So I did share that in Sunday's video, so go ahead and check that out as well. So a lot of things are happening, okay? But I wanted to do a video just today about my reflection because I try to every Monday is going to be more of my reflection, more of my like a Monday motivation type of thing where I am just spitting game and spitting some wisdom or whatever you want to call it. So I just want to reflect. I can't believe we're in April week 2 already. Like, this is crazy to me that we're already in week 2. It's been going good. Yesterday, I actually had to take the day off because I just wasn't feeling so good. If you can hear, I'm kind of stuffed up as well, but I wasn't feeling good. Like, my head was hurting. Just everything just felt awful. And I actually took the day off of work, and it was just not a good day. I was in bed literally all day. I slept like I have not slept in a while, so I slept really good yesterday because, like, sometimes your body needs tells you that it needs to rest, and it's going to force you to do that rest. And that was the kind of day I had. So today is my first day back on the road, and today I'm actually going to the store to just get one in order that I actually have to, in order that I have to pack. And then also I'm going to change my Ring camera's battery, and then I'm going to go grocery shopping after that. But one thing that is annoying about the store is all of my inventory sits at the store. So if I get an online order, I have to literally first go to the store, get that online order, pack it, and then ship it. Which kind of sucks in a way because, like, I don't have extra inventory at the house to be able to, like, ship out what I have at the house and then just call it a day. all of my inventory sits at the store, and that sucks because sometimes I can't get away from my I can't go to the store during the week, and it's easier to go on the weekends, but then it's like backing up an order of shipping it. Oh, it just sucks so much. Obviously, I'll do what I have to do, and if I have to go after work, I'll go after work because the store doesn't close until 8 o'clock. But it's just sucks because all of my inventory sits there. But I don't want to take some of the inventory out just because, say for instance, I need that size or something at the store. The most opportunities going to happen at the store because it's in the store. Somebody may need a size, someone may need something. Versus online, I'm not really going hard and promoting online like that right now. So I wouldn't say that it necessarily needs to be in my house. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the store to kind of do that. I won't be showing like store content today. I'm just really gonna be doing this face to face talking and kind of just going, yeah, just talking. I'm currently reading a book, and I spoke about this again about it's called I Want to Make You Rich or something like that. It's like it's something like that. And I talked about it in the other video, but I'm literally on this finance journey right now, so trying to maximize as much as I can when it comes to finance. So the first chapter was about credit cards, credit card utilization, how to get the most benefits out of your cards, which I love credit cards. Like, I must say, like, I've gotten so much benefits off of credit cards as far as mileage, as far as points. I booked like maybe like 4 or 5 trips all on miles and all on points. I've gotten first class flights using my points. What else? I gotten a whole phone. Like, I paid for my last iPhone on points, my iPad on points. Like, I've done all the things when it comes to points. I got my TSA renewal from points. Like, because I had to do my TSA renewal, and I paid for it all through my benefits with Amex. Just, I know everything when it comes to points, but I wanted to basically have a spreadsheet to show me exactly what I can do, which I had Claude build out. But points are just amazing, and it's something that you should definitely have to utilize and to basically for your life. So if you guys have any questions about credit card usage or points or what card you should get or anything like that, let me know. But let me go ahead and start driving because I've been in my driveway this whole time. And I know people think I'm crazy, but I've been in my driveway this whole time. But let me go ahead and start driving so I can get to where I'm going. And I'm just going to listen to some music. So I'm going to see y'all when I get to my destination because I'm just going to vibe it out right now. Okay, so I just got to the store. We're in front of the store right now. But yeah, so everything's been going good so far as the April challenge. I can't believe, like, when I post this video, we would almost be halfway, but not halfway as yet, but like literally almost there. Halfway will be next Wednesday. But I'm just excited that I decided to do this. I think that it's just been such a journey, especially because I've been really sick. So it's been kind of hard to basically navigate it while being sick. But what saved me really was the archiving of videos that I had backed up. There's a couple archive ones that I couldn't really post just because they just didn't make sense with where I am in life. Like, I kind of recorded them when I was in that specific stage, but right now I'm in another stage, so it's just like, okay, like, let me not post that. So now it kind of, like, I think this week or this past week, it kind of hit me that I really have to now create the videos and stay on top of it. Because if I didn't create the videos, then I'm sorry, I'm looking over here because there's somebody that is either packing up their car or unpacking their car to, I guess maybe they got a space or they're leaving a space. So I'm just being really nosy right now. But anyways, so yeah, so I think that now it got really real because I had to actually record videos this week and actually make sure that I record it to be able to be scheduled out, because like for instance, the two videos that dropped this weekend, the past weekend, I recorded them on Friday, or no, Thursday, because I knew that I needed videos for Saturday and Sunday. Today I'm recording two videos because I know that I need them for Monday, Tuesday. And also, I'm probably going to shoot Wednesdays as well because I know I'm going to need one for Wednesday. So I'm just trying to stay on top of it and trying to make sure that I bulk create too, because I don't want to burn myself out. I know that Monday and Tuesday I won't be able to create it all because of the fact that I'm going into the office, and when I go into the office I won't have to, like, I'll be so drained from the day to so I won't be able to record. So I'm just trying to strategically plan everything out. And I also want to give myself grace. I also want to give myself a pat on the back, or whatever you want to call it, because I've been actually doing this and like I can't believe I just keep on going. Our subscriber rate hasn't really increased as much as I thought it would, but I'm okay with that. I'm just like, honestly, like I just feel like I just need to go through it. I need to go through the motions. I need to do what I said I'm gonna do and not look at the metrics, not look at the analytics. I do read my analytics and I do see views are going up, but I don't want to get so caught up into it that it stops me, or it like I'm like I stop because I think that it's not worth it. I committed to doing this challenge and I committed to showing up every single day and posting a long form video every single day, and I want to commit to that and stay in that, because I don't want to then, I want to just make sure that I am like honoring what I said I was going to do. And this is the first step of consistency too for me, because I just want to be consistent. I want to show that I can be consistent, and also like for my brand as well, because like I need to be consistent to build a brand, a personal brand, any brand. And I haven't been so consistent because I just been so drained with life and things like that. But this is showing me that I can actually do it because I'm actually doing the thing. Like I'm actually showing up. I'm actually doing what I have to do. So why can't I put that same energy into something else if I want to put into something else? Which I can. I have the energy. I can do it. So this is very exciting that, I'm doing this, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you've been watching, like, just thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. These girls are dressed up. I wonder where they're going. It look like it's her birthday or something, or they went to a tea party or something. I'm so nosy, y'all. But yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching me show up. Thank you for supporting, watching my videos. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and share it. Share my videos if you feel as if they're helpful. Like, anything will help at this point. And let me know in the comments if there's any video like that you would like me to release. Let me know. Just comment below and just let me know like what other things you guys would like me to post about, because your girl is running out of ideas and I need some help. So just let me know. All right, thank you guys. Bye.